I don't care if you don't have onions in the house because you can use me. Whether you leek me or not, I'm here to stay. Hello and welcome to another edition of Majeed's Kitchen. In today's short and simple recipe episode, we speak a little bit more and discover the versatility of the leek. Leeks act as a very good substitute for onions and enhance the flavors of many dishes. Most of the time, I only use this part of the leek up to about there, discarding most of the green fibrous part, or perhaps using it for a stock. But today on Majeed's Kitchen, we are going to show you that we can use the rest of this part of the leek to make something delicious that is short and simple. It only takes a few minutes. Let's get into the video and discuss the ingredients. Today's feature ingredient is of course the leek, which I will come back and explain to you a little bit more about what I've done in terms of the preparation. Let's move along to the other ingredients. I have a cup of coconut milk, few spices, less than a quarter teaspoon or a good pinch of turmeric, and I got 3/4 teaspoon of curry powder. You can use whatever curry powder is your favorite, and about 1/5 of a teaspoon of chili powder, a good pinch of fenugreek seeds, and about 1 small green chili or red chili. That's optional, of course. In here I have some dried pandan leaf. If you have fresh, by all means use that. A few curry leaves and a cinnamon stick. Tomatoes, of course, I'm just using a quarter tomato that's been chopped and a quarter onion chopped, and I'm using 2 small potatoes in 2 cups of water. So it's a leek and potato dish. So the next step will be for us to get the potatoes in a saucepan and start boiling them. I've added the potatoes and water to a saucepan, and now we will add in all our spices that I explained to you earlier, so that the flavor goes into the vegetable. Okay, fenugreek and chili, our onion that goes in there, tomato, and of course the pandan leaf, curry leaf, and cinnamon. We always season, as you know, so we'll start off with a good pinch or 2 of salt. Give it a quick stir and put a lid on it. And now we will let the potatoes cook about 50% of the way, and we'll add in the leeks. A little more on the leeks and preparation. So the idea is to cut at that point right here, and also to trim the wilted bits of the leek, the dark green leaves. Okay, so once you have done that, it's important to separate the leaves like this. I have a piece that I held back to show you, and wash them under running water to ensure there's no sand left in between the layers. The next thing is place them together and cut them. Not too thin and not too big either. Like so. Let me show you what other uses I can be put to. Beautiful garnishes. Air dry your leeks, such as the ones I've done here. Cut them really nice and thin into strips and put them in your air fryer and get this beautiful garnish that can be enjoyed as a snack on its own, in rice, in noodles, in soups, and many other dishes. So just a few minutes gone by, and we're going to check. Just use a knife. Look for a potato, and that goes in not too easily, but I'd say it's about 50 to 60% done. And at this stage, we'll add in our leeks. That goes all in there. And just mix it in. Okay, so we'll stir it just to soften the leeks a little bit before we add in the coconut milk. Our potato curry is cooking beautifully. I'll just let you have a look. I wish you could smell it. It's really nice aroma. It's been cooking for about 4 minutes, and now we will add in our coconut milk. Just give it a good stir, and that goes right in there. Give it a stir. Okay, so I got the stove on low, and we're just going to try to keep the potatoes under the liquid and let it cook for a few more minutes. Our friends, the curry is done. Very simple, as I said in the beginning. A beautiful, simple and delicious recipe. Okay, it's time to plate. You can see the pandan leaves and the curry leaves. The leeks are nice and tender. And there we have a simple, delicious potato curry. Thanks for watching. Like the video if you like it, and please consider subscribing.